Ranger Collector 22 here, back for, this is like my fourth review that I've done today. Since I've got nothing to do, I'm bored, why not just do toy reviews? Because that's what everybody does in their free time. Anyway, today I'm going to do the Rescue Bird. He's a nifty little guy. He's, actually, I can't say little. He's actually pretty big. Like, he's an actual bird size, I guess. This is his bird mode, obviously. And if you pull one wing, woo! Miss Fairweather gives, the Power Rangers this. They each have their own rescue weapons. They come together, make the Rescue Bird, then the Rescue Blaster, or whatever it was called, and they blow the shit out of everybody. That's really it. So, let me get to the review. I'll start with the 5th Ranger's Zord. So if you take this, and you take your regular, Power Rangers Lightspeed handle, which this is the one that they made, that came with it, so it doesn't have the actual trigger, and it's kind of fading, but there's a big and little slots, and it's got the same on these, so just find where, just find where it meets up, turn it. There we go. Now fill with your, whatever vaccination you want, and there we go. You've got a Pink Ranger's, I don't know, she wants to give a monster an overdose of Valium. Well, there you go. Bam. The front actually does tip down and stuff like that. 5. 4. Yellow Ranger had this thing, the legs. Now the legs would go in, and you take this and you turn it like that. And you press these buttons over here, and you've got the claws. They were a lot bigger in the show, but of course we get the toys. That's what we get. Bam! Oh no, he's gotten me! Okay. 3, my personal favorite. You can have it as a blaster like this, or you can have it like this harpoon thing. Bam, bam! Yeah. Boy. Yeah. 2, water blaster, I'm guessing. Yeah, I'm not even gonna ask. And 1. Now this was a long drill in the show, emphasizing the word show. Wow. That looks harmful. That's so big. I mean, come on. They could have made it a bit bigger, because this is like, grrrts. I'm not scared. Does the rubber tip scare you? Doesn't scare me. Okay. Now, to get it into cannon, blaster, whatever you want to call it mode, easiest thing to do is put it back into bird mode. So you take the drill, put it back into the water thing. Take the claw feet things and push them through the bottom. Push them back up. The back has this piece here that connects into this hole here. There we go. Top, take off. Put it on the back here, I don't know why. And there we go. Rescue Bird. To get it into cannon mode, It's actually a lot more simple than you would think it is. Take these pieces, pull the wings down, pull the legs back, and pull the tail out. Now all you have to do now is put this piece, I believe it's this piece over here, which means you have to plug this whole thing in, back into the vaccination thing, plug it on its butt, now rip its head off, lovely, push these buttons down, close them, just a tad, put the head back on this end, and take your Lightspeed gun, twist, and you have the Rescue Bird cannon mode thing. It's got two handles, one here and one here, or one here, one here. Bam! It actually is pretty massive. Like, this is one of the biggest guns they've ever made. Right, it's bigger, I think it's bigger than the Power Gun, it's bigger than the Zeo 7-in-1 blaster. I don't know if it's bigger than the Turbo Ram, it probably is. It's bigger than the toy that we got for the Vector Cannon or whatever it was for Time Force. Bigger than the, wait a minute, well, the Wild Force Jungle Sword, that might be bigger, but that's not a blaster now, is it? Oh no, it's not bigger than the Ninja Storm, Thunderstorm, Storm, whatever cannon. That thing was massive. But yeah, it is big. You get my point. Point. Doink, doink, doink. Did you feel that? Not much else to say about this. So, let me cross it out on my, where my pen went. Where'd my pen go? Pen go where the pens go. Okay. Where we go? Blah, 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 blah. Rescue Bird. And done. Next thing I will be reviewing is the Battleizer. I will do the Battleizer, my homemade morpher, and I think I'm going to close up for the day so that I can have time to edit videos. But until then, this is Ranger Collector 22 saying, see you soon.